This is how you order a day of stationery and signage from our shop. So first, when you click on day of and signage, you're going to see some categories up here. So you have bar signs, print requests, welcome signs. By the time this is on YouTube and airs, I bet you we're going to have some more categories here. But for now, this is the categories we have, but we're always adding to our shop. So just stay tuned for more items for day of, like such as table numbers and some more signs. So first, let's just click on bar sign. Right now we have one bar sign available. It's a cocktail sign. So these are really popular. They're so much fun for guests to look at. They're fun for us to create. We just love these so much. So this is a typical cocktail sign that you'll see. This includes all the artwork, all the custom drawings of the cocktails. You can even select the number of cocktails that you'd like. So 1, 2, or 3. Usually it's 2, a his and hers, or maybe a his and his, or hers and hers, or sometimes you just want one cocktail. Sometimes 3, who knows? But usually it's not more than 3. So right now we just have 3 listed here. So we'll just click on we want 2 cocktails. And then you're just going to say add to cart. So this is the price for us to create the custom artwork for both cocktails and also the text underneath. You'll be able to choose what type of font that you'd like for the text. So there's some script font options here. And once we start designing, we'll get that information from you. Again, there's the script options there. And then normally we do either a serif or a sans serif font for the ingredients, just so it's really easy for guests to look at that, especially if there's any allergies involved. So again, this is for the design. If you wanted us to print your design, then you would just click on this listing. And this is for a printed design. So these are 8 by 10 inches. This is what we recommend for a cocktail sign, perfect for a bar. You just select your quantity, 1, 2, or 3. We'll probably up this because sometimes, you're having a real big party and there's lots of different bars. So we'll probably increase the quantity here. So let's just say you want 1, and then you can actually select your frame option. Right now, we currently have a white frame option available, like this listing photo, but we're going to be adding, I think, black and then maybe a gold and silver frame option as well. So we're just going to say no frame for now. And then you'll see the price, and then that's just for the printed design, super easy, and then just say add to cart. So we'll just go up here to the cart. But this is from before, so let's just exit that. So we have your cocktail sign design and then a printed design 8 by 10, and then you just check out. Very simple, and you just go through your email. We'll just put our email for now, but again, this will be your email. This comes up because normally there's invitations associated with some day of stationery. This says if you did not purchase invitations, please just skip this section. So you would just skip this section totally. Oh, of course you would, but however, you need to put your email in here for the proof. And then just enter your payment information. I'm obviously not going to be entering my credit card info for this video, but then you would just enter your credit card information or PayPal and hit continue, and then review and purchase. And then after you purchase, we'll be emailing you within 48 hours some information that we need to get from you, just like the photos of the cocktails that we're going to illustrate, and if there's any more information such as, of course, the ingredients and what the names of the cocktails are. And then that's it. So I hope this was really helpful for you. Again, this is a pretty simple design. We love designing these. Guests love them. And as always, if you have any questions at all, please let us know.